are brand new Lakeskateboards. They hooked it up at the contest. We have Born Again Skate Shop. Brand new skate shop in Conyers. Gonna do a little quick setup video. It's been a minute, guys. I'm first in a long time. How y'all been? I know y'all probably want some fingerboard content, but I don't know. Soon, one of these days. Fingerboard video coming soon. Probably gonna get an unboxing in the next month. I'm just gotta get the chips up for that. I might buy a fingerboard today. Got the mob grip tape going. Best grip tape on the phone. Hey, put it on bad. Probably my least favorite part about gripping. Yours actually really beautiful. I think I actually did pretty good. So right now, got some bones, axle with the Acetrucks, the 60. I like them. They're like 875 wood. They go perfect with the board. And then, oh yeah, what are these? Oh, these are like mini logo. No, these are Spitfire cheap shots. They're like the cheapest bearing you can get, but they're going. No maintenance. Taking care of my boards. I just like thrashing them. You know, yeah, shout out Lakeskateboard again. Hooking it up. It was at a contest in skate park. Did kind of good in the game of skate. So they hooked the boy up. Oh yeah, I got some pig bolts from skate park. Y'all, it's colorful and shiny. Front check. I can read them correctly. But I fucked up. Hold on, nah, we definitely gotta get some fingerboard content. That's where most of my subscribers came from. Hold on, I still kind of got it. Hold on. No, I don't. Ooh, no, I kind of do. Hold on, Nolly Hill. If I Nolly Hill first try, you gotta like and subscribe. Here we go. I'm taking it.
Did that
No,
count?
that counts. Man, that counts. I just did it twice in a row. It was probably like that the whole time.
Alright, one more try. How can I not do it?
Yeah. Hell yeah.
Right,
Fingerwood. Instagram. Right here. Yeah. We about to do a kickflip test, but I just wanted y'all to see this is one in skate shop. If you're ever in Georgia, especially in Conyers, this is the place to be. All right, man. Kickflip test right here. Oh! All right, it don't even matter. Kickflip test for real. Oh my God.
You can always skate the curves. Both of these right here waxed up pretty good.
All right, bet. I'm gonna play here too. Dude, I can't kickflip. No.
The fat tail.
Yeah, no, that's what happened with the other board.
Alright,
yeah.
man.
Woo! Wee! Yeah! Woo-hoo! Yup!